everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Neha. So today I am back with yet another interesting topic. Hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started. In my previous video of MySQL series, I have discussed about exists operator in MySQL. You can check the video from the above I button. Today I am going to discuss about limit and offset clause in MySQL. So without any further delay, let's get started. MySQL limit clause. The limit clause is used to specify the number of records to return. The limit clause is useful on large tables with thousands of records. Returning a large number of records can impact performance. Limit syntax. Select column names from table name where condition limit number. Next is offset clause. The offset clause in MySQL is used to skip a specified number of rows before starting to return rows from a query. It is often used in conjunction with the limit clause to paginate results. Offset syntax. Select column 1, column 2, so on from table name, limit, row count, offset value. Let's apply this with some examples. Today I am using student table under student_8 database. Limit with select statement. First, select asterisk from student. Limit 3, which gives the result output as 3 rows. Second query is limit with where clause. So here select details of student whose marks is greater than 50 but limit is 2. Query will be select asterisk from student where marks greater than 50 limit 2, which gives result of students whose marks more than 50 but we need 2 rows as result. Third query is limit with order clause. Select asterisk from student order by location limit 4, which gives result arranged in ascending order by location, but we need 4 rows as result. Basic offset with limit. Select asterisk from student limit 3 offset 2, which selects rows of student leaving 2 rows as the offset is 2 and showing result from third row till 3 consecutive rows as result. Note that in MySQL, we cannot use offset alone. We need to write limit with it. That's it for today. Hope you all will get some help from this video. If it's so, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.